This is a short tutorial on using the NHS Fiction ebook collection. First, on your Chromebook's bookmark bar, you'll notice an npsct.org bookmark folder located all the way to the left. Inside that folder is a bookmark to NHS LibGuides. Click that. LibGuides houses hundreds of ebooks, databases, and other resources used for student research. For right now, please click either the Library Catalog button here on the right or the Destiny Discover link that appears in this breadcrumb trail over on the left. Both will bring you to the same place. This is Destiny Discover, our library catalog. This view probably looks different than you'll remember from years past or middle school, but it is the same catalog. If you take a quick scroll, you'll notice various collections and groupings of titles from our collection. The first thing I'd encourage you to do is to click Log In here in the top right of the screen. You already have a Destiny account, and you'll need to be logged in to fully preview and borrow our fiction ebooks. Your username is your ID number, and your password is your last name, with the first letter of your last name capitalized. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name and profile in the top right of the screen. The easiest way to browse the fiction ebooks specifically is to scroll down and click the Fiction eBooks button. You'll see that we currently own 175 fiction ebook titles. You have a few sorting options in the top right, and you can change the view before you browse. I like this view because it gives me a good look at the cover art and often includes a brief description of the book. When you click on a title that looks interesting, you'll get this view. It offers their suggestions for read-alikes here on the right, and you have options for borrowing or checking out the title, or opening it for a preview. Because we're only allowed a certain number of checkouts for most titles, I'd ask that you open or preview the title first. When you have a title open for preview, you'll notice a toolbar. There's a clickable table of contents here on the left, a search button, a bookmark, notes tool, several different viewing options, and then this button, which gives you the option to check out the book. Borrowed books will remain checked out to you for 2 weeks and will then be returned automatically, so it's impossible to return the book late. If you're not finished with the book when it's returned, you can borrow it again and it will remember your place in the book. Two quick last things. To continue reading your borrowed book the next time you come back, you'll click on the menu icon here on the left and then choose Checkouts. And obviously you'll see any books that you've previously checked out. You can open your book and pick up where you left off. There's also a Destiny Discover app that you can use for access on your phone. If you need any help, please email or see me in the library.